The Kumbh Mela is one of the largest religious gatherings in the world, held at 4 different locations in India: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Ujjain, and Nashik, on a rotational basis. The event is a major Hindu pilgrimage where millions of devotees come to bathe in a sacred river to cleanse themselves of sin. This year, the Kumbh Mela is in Prayagraj. The Kumbh Mela is held every 12 years and sometimes every 6 years. The exact date of the Kumbh Mela is determined by the position of the Sun, Moon, and Jupiter. The event usually spans around 2 months. The Maha Kumbh Mela 2025 began on January 13, 2025 with the Paush Purnima Snan and will conclude on February 26, 2025, aligning with Maha Shivratri. The main highlight is the ritual of taking holy dip in the confluence of the Ganges, Yamuna, and the mythical Sarasvati river. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Jyotikitan and you're watching Arcany. In today's video, we'll talk about the Kumbh Mela 2025 with an architect's perspective. Each year, millions of pilgrims converge on Prayagraj for the Kumbh Mela, a spiritual gathering that takes an architectural life of its own. As an architect, witnessing the Mela's transformation from a barren landscape into one of the largest human settlements in the world is both awe-inspiring and humbling. For us architects, the Kumbh Mela is an extraordinary exercise in urban planning and temporary architecture. It's not just about the building shelters, it's about creating a vast, functional, and safe environment in a matter of weeks. The challenge, right? Designing a city that must cater to millions of people, provide comfort, safety, and most importantly, respect the scarce space it occupies. As an architect, it's fascinating to see how we design an environment that is entirely temporary but needs to be highly functional. The layout of the city involves a precise planning, everything from the arrangement of tents to the flow of foot traffic, accessibility to scarce sites, and crowd management. It's a delicate balance between spiritual and practical needs. At the heart of the Kumbh Mela lies the sacred bathing ghats, the epicenter of this vast gathering. Designing these spaces requires careful thought. The ghat must accommodate millions of people, yet still maintain their spiritual significance. The architectural layout guides the flow of pilgrims, ensuring that this sacred ritual is honored without compromising safety. Each year, we bring in new techniques and innovations. Temporary bridges are designed to span the river, often with simple materials, yet they need to be sturdy enough to handle heavy foot traffic. Roads are laid out quickly but with precision, ensuring smooth transit for pilgrims, vehicles, and emergency services alike. Sustainability is a key in such large-scale projects. The challenge of providing infrastructure that leaves minimal environmental impact is something we take seriously. From waste management to solar lighting, every aspect of Kumbh Mela's architecture is designed to be eco-conscious, utilizing green technology and materials. Another aspect that makes the Kumbh Mela unique is the spiritual dimension. The temporary temples and prayer spaces are designed not only for function but also evoke reverence and serenity. Intricate carvings, religious symbols, and open-air pavilions come together to create spaces that are both functional and spiritually profound. Creating a seamless flow for millions of people is another crucial architectural challenge. The Mela site is organized into sectors, each with its own designated areas for bathing, praying, resting, and walking. Pathways are designed wide enough to avoid congestion, and temporary structure act as a guide, directing the flow of pilgrims with precision. As architects, we also work closely with authorities to ensure that the safety is prioritized. Crowded areas are equipped with emergency exits, medical stations are placed strategically, and crowd control barriers are integrated into the design. Everything is built with both comfort and safety of the pilgrims in mind. Behind the scenes, we use advanced modeling software to stimulate crowd management, test structure integrity, and plan for emergency evacuation. These digital tools are essential to creating a site that functions seamlessly even under the most challenging conditions. As night falls, the Kumbh Mela takes on a different energy. The temporary city comes to life with light prayer lamps and moving together toward a common goal. It's a testament to how thoughtful design can transform the environment into a space that solves both the practical and spiritual need of millions. For us architects, the Kumbh Mela is more than just a temporary settlement. It's a profound exercise in human connection and spatial design. A place where architecture transcends with the built environment and becomes a living, breathing part of scared tradition. Thank you for joining us in experiencing the architectural marvel that is Kumbh Mela 2025, where design, faith, and humanity converge. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the world of architecture, culture, and spirituality. Have thoughts or questions? Drop a comment below. We would love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Till then, this is me Jyoti Ketan signing off for the day. Bye bye.